How do I know my pregnancy is going well at 14 weeks?
I'm assuming you feel the normal level of tired, though that should be easing about now.
I know that is due to all the blood cell production to meet the needs of the baby.
The anemia that occurs if you don't get enough iron while the blood cell factory ramps up makes a lot of women tired.
That's why you have to get enough iron.
The dehydration that occurs due to all the extra fluids needed to deliver nutrients and carry away waste from the child also makes a lot of women tired.
I definitely feel like I'm peeing for two.
If you are a normal level of tired, nothing is wrong. If you are really, really tired, something may be wrong.
Sure, I need more water, more meat if I can stomach it, and probably more sleep.
The nausea that most women have in the first trimester should be easing, since the baby's organs are now formed.
I never had it as bad as some people. I only felt a little ill when smelling fish and red meat, versus throwing up at the smell of someone else's tuna fish sandwich.
It is normal to feel minor aches and pains as your body starts to grow and expand.
The baby is around 3 or 4 inches long. There isn't much growth now.
Whether you feel minor twinges in the abdomen as the tendons stretch or even brief pains in the back or breasts, you'll feel it more as the child grows.
I've been told pain is a warning sign.
Any severe pain or repetitive pain is a reason to go to the doctor. If there is blood, you need to go to the emergency room.
Blood plus pain equals a miscarriage.
It might, or a placenta tear or other tissue damage, assuming there is not an ectopic pregnancy.
Ectopic pregnancies feel like appendicitis but maybe with some vaginal bleeding, but I've already had a sonogram to say that's not what is going on.
One of the warning signs of a miscarriage is that you don't feel pregnant anymore.
Say what? How could that be a warning sign?
When the pregnancy fails, it stops making the pregnancy hormones that hold back your period and tell the body that you are pregnant.
That is the hormone pregnancy tests detect.
If the pregnancy hormone levels drop off, you'll lose some of the breast tenderness, fluid buildup in the ankles, muscle twinges as it is growing. You'll feel more like you did before the pregnancy before the pain and blood start.
Now I'm glad for all these little aches and pains.
And remember that mild to moderate indigestion is common when pregnancy due to all the hormones and dehydration, leading to lots of hemorrhoids and stomach cramps.
I know to solve that with lots of water and more fiber. Hopefully I won't think the baby moved due to all the fluttering and then discover it was gas.
At 14 weeks, it would be early to feel the baby move, though if you did, it would be a little flutter. When you're further along, a lack of activity by the baby is a sign of potential problems.
I guess being kept up at night by a baby, whether poking you in the ribs or crying, can be a good sign.